Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today is going to be part 2 of that popular and unexpected hair color ideas that we're going to be seeing in 2023. First up we see this lob. This one does have like a beautiful purple color going on. Soft waves were added as well. This is an absolutely gorgeous hair color. So then we move on to the next color transformation. So she starts off with shoulder length blonde hair that has grown out, and she has decided to mix it up with pink tone. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now in 2022 we did see a lot of peach and pinks and pastel colors, and I think that we're going to continue to see that into 2023. It's just a hair color that is very popular at the moment, especially on the runway, and it looks absolutely amazing on so many women. So moving right along, we do see someone that does have some blonde money piece highlights. Oh, so she switched it up from blonde to purple. This is gorgeous. And of course, bold money piece highlights are going to be huge next year. So then we have someone, looks like they are dabbing into the multicolor. They have some purple going on in here, pink. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Then of course we have more of this silver platinum hair shade. Very pretty. I think we're going to continue to see this color kind of trending in 2023 as well. It's such a pretty hair shade, and it looks great on both long hair, short hair, and no matter what your race is or ethnicity, is definitely a look that you can rock out. Looks like we're seeing some pretty pinks and maybe a maroon color for this next one. So the stylist is cutting in some layers to the hair. This of course is going to be another huge trend in 2023. I do have a full video where I kind of talk more about layers, so definitely check out my channel if you want to see that one. And if you want to see more of the major hair trends that we're going to be seeing this year, I do have a couple of videos in the description box that you can check out as well. this is so pretty. It's like a beautiful hot pink shade. It's also some really pretty light pink hues mixed in as well. Absolutely gorgeous coloring. Oh, he did such a great job with the layers too. This is beautiful. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me, definitely be sure to give this one a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.